Srimannarayana, 30th sloka of 10th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Prahladascha-asmi Daityanam Kalaha Kalayatamaham Mruganancha Mrugendroham Vainateyascha Pakshinam Om. When you hear the name Prahlada and when you hear the story about Prahlada, remember about Sri Krishna Paramatma. When you count the time, when you look at the time, Sri Krishna Paramatma must come into your thoughts. When you look at the lion, when you hear the lion, the name, remember Sri Krishna Paramatma. When you hear the name Garutman, remember Sri Krishna Paramatma's higher spark present in those characters. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Krishna Paramatma strongly asking you to surrender to Him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, "Come to me, surrender to me alone, do not cry. Mamekam saranam vraja ma suchaha." Now you must respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma within your bhavana following these lines. O Krishna, O Srimannarayana, I shall definitely remember about your higher amount of spark present in these characters like Prahlada. And when I count the time, I shall remember you. When I look at the lion and when I hear the name the lion and Garutman, I shall definitely remember you. O Krishna, O Srimannarayana, I shall surrender to you alone. I shall not cry. Srimannarayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava. I shall obey your orders. Please help me act according to your word. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpatarorgalitam phalam sukamukadamrutadrava-sanyutam pibata bhagavatam rasamalayam muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamanupeta krityam Dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava putreti tanmayataya taravobhineduhu tam sarvabhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam devim saraswatim vyasam tato jayam udirayet. Srimad Bhagavatamo Dasamaskandhamu 10th Skandham 140th day. Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Yasoda Devi sarcastically warning and saying these words to Krishna. O Krishna, you are doing so many naughty activities. You will carry one big stick and you will act as if you are plowing the earth. Here we can remember Balarama Avataram. Oh Krishna, sometimes without having any clothes you are running here and there. Here we can remember Buddha Avataram. Krishna, I do not know what are all other naughty things that you are going to do. Here we can remember Kalki Avataram. Krishna, thinking that I would not punish you, I would not do any hard things on you, you are doing unlimited naughty things. Like that Yasoda Devi, while giving warning to Krishna, Gopika Vulu Khale Damna Babandha Prakrutam Yadha Alalana Katterolan Leelan Navanita Chaurya Leelun. Then Yasoda Devi tied Krishna with rope to one wooden churning thing. Who is this Krishna? Navanita Chaurya, the one who steals butters. Who is this Krishna? Priyavag Jalun, who speaks a lot, who talks a lot, and who talks so speed, so that all the people can feel happy. Like that Krishna makes everyone happy. And how is that Krishna there now? Parivismita Gopalun. After Yasoda Devi tied, Krishna is surprising to see that, wow, my mother tied me. There is a surprise feeling in him. Not only that, Mukta Lalama Phalun Balun. He is wearing beautiful pearls ornaments, and also he has one beautiful tilak, which is also of pearls. Such beautiful, handsome Krishna is now tied by Yasoda Devi. What happens next we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmat Gurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatuno Jagatraya Guruhu. Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishne Namarashatravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam. Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 10th chapter, 30th sloka. Prahladaschasmi daityanam kalah kalayatamaham mruganancha mrugendroham vainateyascha pakshinam. Prahladaschasmi daityanam kalah kalayatamaham mruganancha mrugendroham vainateyascha pakshinam. Srimannarayana karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.